So now here we are in the mechanical room, the Lochenvar on the farthest end, doing some interference testing here with the foil tape to get the numbers under control here. When I step this off, it's about 30 feet to a 20-inch vertical rise on this Teledyne Larrs. It's a 1.8 million BTU Teledyne Larrs boiler. So I'm seeing with the foil tape test that I need to add barometrics. Can I block this off and put the barometrics in the front of this diverter chamber, as there is no room to add barometrics to this boiler with what we have existing? Could I use like 3 8-inch barometrics in the diverter box? And of course each boiler downstream having its own barometric 8-inch. We are 30 feet horizontal, maybe 20 feet vertical. The system was not installed properly to begin with, obviously. The boilers have now been replaced. The fire boiler was suited up when it was removed, and now we're trying to make this work. We've added an additional fan. The noise from the fan is an annoyance to the owners. Trying to come up with an alternative solution. Terminations to separate the two smaller boilers is almost not possible without an extreme makeover.